Some names are written in history, but some names become history itself. Some leaders rule with power, some with wisdom, but only a few rule with love. Today, we bring you the story of a man who defeated an empire without violence, Mahatma Gandhi. But do you really know him? क्या आपको उनके जीवन के वो राज पता है जो इतिहास की किताबों में नहीं लिखे गए? Welcome to Silent World, where we uncover the untold stories of history's greatest figures. I'm your host, and today, we take you beyond the textbooks to reveal the lesser-known life of Mahatma Gandhi. Today, we go beyond the Mahatma to discover the man, the myths, and the untold truth. So let's get started on first act, that is the making of Mohandas, 1869 to 1893. Porbandar, Gujarat. 2nd October 1869. A frail baby is born. His father is a Diwan, his mother, a deeply religious woman. But little Mohandas is not born a Mahatma. He is shy, afraid of the dark, and deeply influenced by mythological stories. Did you know? As a teenager, Gandhi once stole gold from his brother to buy cigarettes. But guilt consumed him. He confessed to his father, expecting anger. Instead, his father cried. That moment, he learned. The power of truth is the greatest. At 19, he sails to London for law studies. He promises his mother to never touch meat, alcohol, or women. Life in London is tough, but he finds solace in books, especially the Bhagavad Gita. He calls it his spiritual dictionary. Moving to another act, that is Act 2, The Fire of Injustice, 1893 to 1915. South Africa, 1893. A young lawyer sits in first class of a train. A white man glares. Moments later, a railway officer approaches. You, out. But I have a ticket. Gandhi protests. No response. He is thrown out into the cold night at Pietermaritzburg station. That night, he shivers on the platform. Should I return to India or fight? He chooses to fight. For 21 years, Gandhi battles racism, British oppression, and injustice. He develops something new, Satyagraha, the force of truth. Did you know? Gandhi wrote a letter to Leo Tolstoy, seeking advice on nonviolent resistance. Tolstoy's ideas shaped him deeply. Third act is not just act but strategy. Act 3, The War Without Weapons, 1915 to 1942. India is boiling under British rule. Gandhi travels across the country, sleeping in huts, wearing a simple dhoti. 1917, Champaran movement, his first victory. Farmers against British landlords. 1920, non-cooperation movement, boycott British goods. The empire trembles. But in 1922, violence erupts in Chauri Chaura. A police station is burned, officers killed. Gandhi halts the movement. Many call him a coward. क्या सच में गांधी गलत थे? 1930, the Salt March. At 60 years old, Gandhi walks 240 miles to Dandi, picking up salt, a simple act that shakes the world. The British call him mad. The world calls him a genius. Did you know? When Gandhi was arrested, British prisons had to change their food policy because Gandhi refused to eat anything but simple Indian food. Most important and crucial act is Act 4, The Price of Freedom, 1942 to 1948. Quit India. 1942. Gandhi's boldest move. British officers storm into his ashram. He is arrested, beaten. In jail, He fasts for 21 days. His body weakens, but his soul never breaks. 15th August 1947. India is free. But Gandhi does not celebrate. He walks barefoot in Bengal, trying to stop Hindu-Muslim riots. 30th January 1948. New Delhi. Gandhi walks towards his prayer ground. A man stands before him. 3 shots. Gandhi falls. His final words, "Hey Ram." The world mourns. But did you know? Nathuram Godse had once touched Gandhi's feet before planning to kill him. Last but not the least. Act 5, The Immortal Legacy. Gandhi is gone, but his ideas are not. Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, Dalai Lama, all inspired by him. His legacy lives on. आज भी दुनिया में नफरत है, वायलेंस है, पर शायद हमें फिर से एक गांधी की जरूरत है। क्या हम उनकी कहानी से कुछ सीख रहे हैं? This was the untold story of Mahatma Gandhi, the man, not the myth. If you loved this episode, subscribe to our on YouTube and Spotify. More hidden stories of legends coming soon. Until next time. Jai Hind.